Hi folks, this is Rose from In Rose's Garden, and today we're going to make a really cute pair of Barbie jewelry using our Birds of a Feather Design Challenge Kit from SoftFlex. Now, I think these are going to be cute, so I hope you like them. Let's turn down and we will work on them. Okay, what we have here is 1.5 turns of memory wire. This is our necklace. And then we have 2 small head pins. Are these 2-inch? I think they're 2-inch. Let's measure. Yeah, they're 2-inch. Head pins, we don't need them that big. And two eye pins that are also 2 inches. So now the bird, and there's a jump ring. I need to put him on. Actually, he needs to go the other direction, so we'll have to think about that. I've got some of the the 3 tiny beads. They have 3 different types of tiny beads. I got 3 of these little turquoise for the necklace, 2 of the blueberry ones for the necklace, or blue, and 1 of, well, I have 4 of this little blue ones, 2 for each side, and 2 of these. And then these are spacers are for here. The little bird's going to go over here too. The earrings are going to be 1 of the blueberry ones. I'm going to go on there. Spacer, 1 of these little blue ones, a spacer, and the turquoise. So they're going to look just like this. In fact, let's bend them over and maybe we'll even do them up right now. But so that's 1 of the earrings. And there's the other earring. So we'll just turn these over here right now. And then we'll just wrap these up, and then we have to make our earring wires here. So let's get our bell making pliers out, and we're going to go over and around and do this like so, like any other wrapped loop. Now we'll just wrap them up like we would normally. Cut off this excess. And tuck this wire in. Okay, there's our first one done. Now our second. Normally I make the necklace first, but I just decided to do this these little earrings first, since we were showing you how to. I was going to put them on here anyway. I figured I might as well. So there is that. Now, to finish these off, you're going to take one of your eye pins and your flat nose pliers, and you're going to go up. I'll use the other ones. They have a better. They go up about, like this much. Bend this. Do the same on the other one, of course. And they don't have to be perfect, because these are what goes inside the Barbie's head. And we want to go like so. We're going to fold it in half nice and tight. And then we're going to get our clippers, and where these two meet the eye pin right here, we're going to cut this off. And then we're going to tighten that down again so that we're pretty straight here. Do the same with this one. Cut this off right here where the wires meet right here. And then we're going to push this down again. Now, what we're going to do is open up that eye, slide one of these on, and close the eye back up. That's earring number 1. Again, we're opening the eye, sliding the little earring piece on, and closing the eye back up. And there's earring number 2. Aren't those cute? So there's our earrings. Now we're going to start working on our necklace. I got another jump ring out because I want our bird to face this direction. If we put it right on the wire, I think it will be butting up to our beads too much, because they'd be like this. So I'm going to put on 2 jump rings so it faces the bird faces the direction I want it to. And that is the way it's sitting right now. So put this one on, and then this one can go on at the same time because it's just going to slide on there. It doesn't need to open ever. Okay, so there's our bird. So what we're going to do is we're going to open our memory wire up. Well, actually, we're going to wrap one side up, getting it as far down on your benders, your pliers as you can, so you're not way up there where you might get in the way. Now I also did a little bit of extra around the side, as you can see there, so that the beads couldn't get in there or slide off easily. So what we're going to do is we're going to put, hopefully this is enough, we're going to put 3 little turquoise on. Now, if it doesn't end up being enough, we're going to have to get another turquoise out. But we'll see when we get the rest of the beads on if we're halfway there or not. So then one spacer. Come on, you. The two blues. Come on, you. Open up. One. Come on, you. Two. Another spacer. And this one they call the blueberry. And let's see where that is as far as our side is concerned. And I think we need one more of the turquoise because we're not coming down to the middle. And I want it down to the middle. So we will take off through here. And actually we'll just put on one of these turquoises I have down here, and we'll see if that's going to work. If it still needs some more, I will probably put on another one of the little blue ones. So let's put you on. Now this, because we don't want to overdo it and we don't want to underdo it, is actually where we usually have to take off, put on, take off, put on. And that is just way of the way it works generally. And if I'd had like seed beads or something up here on the other side that I didn't care about and I had put too much on, I could break one off. But we're not going to break these beads. Even they are all glass, I am not going to break any of them. We will just take them off and put them on until we get the proper amount. Now see, we're still, well, I still don't think we're quite half. So I think maybe instead of putting on another turquoise, we're going to put on another one of these little blue ones. So I only have to take this off right now. Bing, go down. Get one of these blue. Come on, you open up. On it goes. And it's being difficult. It's getting really buddy-buddy with these two turquoise. The spacer. And then the blueberry. Now let's see where it's looking at. I think that'll work. So now we're just going to thread our birds jump rings on. The next blueberry. The spacer. Oop, don't lose our spacer. Ouch, poking myself. The first of these blue, and then we'll have to go and get the rest of what we need out of the bag. So there's the first blue. So now we need 2 more blue and 2 more turquoise. So here is the baggie. Get it open here. And we need 2 blue and 2 turquoise. So we want you and you, and get out there, Blueberry. You and you. There we go. So we put these away. So now we want to put those other 2 blue on, our spacer, and then all our turquoises. So go. Oh, there we go. So now I just have to wrap up the side here. Get our memory wire pliers out here. Get them right here at the edge of this. Oh, I was afraid that was good. Okay, and just start turning. Now we have extra wire, as you can see here, so I'm just going to turn some more. And I'm going to go to the other side and do a little bit extra turning on that side as well. There we go. Now this one is a little crooked to the back, so I'm going to try and move it so it's more, ooh, careful, don't break the bead, Rose. There we go. And there is our little necklace with our birdie on it. I would have rather, if I'd had some of my tiny jump rings here, to have a slightly smaller one here, but I do not have smaller sized ones in the bronze. Though I suppose I could switch it for a gold one. I do have some tiny ones in the gold, and since we have gold spacers, that would work all right, I think. So maybe we'll go find a Tinky Tot in gold. Nope, that's the regular size. There's the Tinky Tots. And I think it would be much nicer with a much smaller signature here with the connection right here. So we're going to take this middle one off here. The bronze one is fine for the between the beads. And we're going to get this tiny guy here and open him up. Put our little bird on. And then our jump ring. Close it up. And yeah, I like that better with the smaller one in there. So there is our little Barbie necklace and earrings. So here is our Barbie doll. She will model these for us. If I can get her stud out of her ear. Now this stud is made with just a bicone crystal and on the end of a head pin. Okay, let's get your earring in there. There we go. And the other one. And then put her necklace on. And there she's what she looks like. We'll hold her up so you can see her better in just a moment. But there is our earrings and necklace. So here she is with her necklace, with her little birds and the little blue, all the little blue beads from our Birds of SoftFlex Birds of the Feather kit, and her earrings. Isn't that cute? So very pretty. Everything matches nicely, obviously, since we used all the same beads. So there we go. I like it. I think that little jump ring was tiny, teeny, tinky tot was much better here so that it didn't hang down as much. But yeah, there she is, all finished. So this has been Rose from In Rose's Garden, and we have been making this cute set of Barbie jewelry using the SoftFlex company's Design Challenge Kit, Birds of the Feather. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.